Now in this video we will look at numbers which looks like standard form but actually is not standard form. So if you look at this number here, 56.7 times 10 to the power of 2. Now this number looks like standard form, but this is not standard form. Now why is it not standard form? It's because the rule is very simple, okay? It's a times 10 to the power of n. Now this a here has to be a single digit, okay? The first number has to be it has to be a number in between 1 to 9, okay? And it has to start with a single digit. Now in this case here, it is 56.7, so this is a double digit here. So this is not a standard form. Okay, so to write this in standard form, the correct answer will be, so you have to write this as a single digit first, which is 5.67 times 10. Okay, so we're going to write down the 2 first. Okay, the power is 2 here. But what changes is that I wrote the decimal as 5.67. So the decimal is here. I have to move it in between 5 and 6. So I'm going to move 1 step here. So this has to be plus 1. Okay, so the correct answer will be 5.67 times 10 cubed. And with this, we get the standard form. Now let's look at the second number here. 0.06 times 10 to the power 4. Now this again looks like a standard form, scientific form, but it is not. The rule is a single digit followed by decimal. So in this case here, the single digit will be 6. Okay, so I'm going to write here 6 here, which is followed by a decimal. But I don't need to put that since there's no other numbers here. So I'm just times 10 to the power of 4. Now, the decimal is on the left side, and I have to move it to the end, to the end of 6. Okay, so I have to move 1, 2. So in this case here, remember when we all move the decimal from left to right, we need to minus, yeah. So minus 2. So the answer will be 6 times 10 square. So this is the answer. Now for the third number, it's almost the same as the first number here. Okay, so just write this down first. The single digit, 3.46 times 10 to the power minus 2. Now, we have to move the decimal from the right side to the left side, in between 3 and 4. So we have to move 1 step here. So when we move from left to right, we plus. Okay, so you plus 1 step, which is plus 1. So the answer will be 3.46 times 10 to the power of negative 1. Okay, and that will be the standard form. That is correct. Single digit followed by decimal and then the rest of the digits here. Times 10 to the power of 3. Okay, now the last number, okay, will be 7 times 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, so decimal is on the left side and we have to move it to the end of 7. So there will be 2 steps here. So what do you think is the power? Is it plus or minus? Look at example 2. So do we plus 2 or minus 2? So it should be a minus 2. So the answer will be 7 times 10 to the power of negative 5. And this is the way we write the correct answer.